Hey, what's the door?
It's Bartolini.
Yes. What?
I have a box for you.
Oh yes, it's my iPhone 4. Yes. Welcome. Oh, it's my.
Goodbye. Yes, there is your iPhone3gs.
Yes.
Wait. You have to see here.
See?
You have to see. Okay.
Good job.
Goodbye.
Okay guys, here we go, the unboxing of iPhone3gs. I'm very excited, I desire it a lot. I asked for this at my family. My mom, I go, mom, buy me a 3GS. And no, my mom, no. And now here we go guys, we have got the iPhone3gs. We go start with the unboxing. It's a lot of plastic. Okay guys. Oh yes. What a stupid thing. Wow. Oh shit. I must mental preparation, because it's a moment, a special moment. This you can see from 3GS. I hope it's white, because I like white. What the fuck? It's a rock! It's a rock! No! Oh, it's a video. Sorry guys, but I have some difficulty technique, because I don't know, because it's a rock. But we can continue with the description of the rock. Sorry guys.
It's a rock.
Okay. You can't call your friend, but it's an interesting rock. It's violet. Here is green also. Violet and green. It's a nice abandonment of color. It's not burned like the iPhone 4 of the last time. It's not burned. You can see, invincible. I'm sad because I have already buy a cover for it, but it don't work. It don't work. Fuck! It don't work. And now what I will do with a stupid cover? And that's all for today, guys. I will stop by from eBay, because I had a lot of dicks in my ass with this buy. And see you next time. Goodbye.